Meaning of Hans.
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 Hans. Hans is an abbreviation for the term honors, which is used to describe an academic distinction awarded to a student for achieving exceptional academic performance, usually in an undergraduate degree program. This distinction is usually based on a combination of high grades and additional academic accomplishments, such as independent research, honors courses, or a thesis. Earning honors is a prestigious achievement that can open up opportunities for further academic study, scholarships, or employment. It indicates a strong commitment to academic excellence and a willingness to go above and beyond to achieve success.